Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Welcome to the night countdown. So there's a lot of bears and a lot of bulls. A lot of people think the market's going to crash, and a lot of people think the market's going to rally on a major bull run, and we have the biggest discounts that we've ever seen before. What exactly is going to happen in the market? So I'm going to go over exactly which range we're sitting in that makes everybody feel like they have to be a major bull or a major bear. And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button, and I do welcome you to the Instables room in the description below. I mention pre-market news before market open every single day, any halts worth looking at throughout the day, or any major breakout alerts worth looking at throughout the day. Nobody cares as much as I do to get these major breakouts in front of you. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart with you guys here on the S&P 500 so you guys can see exactly what kind of momentum we have in the market and what exactly we're looking for to get more bullish momentum. And if we do continue on down, what exactly will give us confirmation on that continuation on down. Now, before I get started, I do want to mention if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, again, nobody cares as much as I do to get these major breakouts in front of you. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. Now, jumping into SPY, this is the S&P 500 so you guys can see exactly what kind of momentum we have overall in the market. Again, this is the 500 largest stocks in the market, representing most of the market, so you guys can see what kind of momentum we have. Again, we have been continuing on down all the way into Monday, all the way down to 422. Again, we did mention about a week ago, if we did drop down below 450, then we would be coming down to 422, and sure enough, we did come down to 422. As you guys can see, we are now bouncing, looking to see if we can break out of this consolidation and go bullish. As you guys can see, previously we had multiple times where we had a lot of fear, and as you guys can see, sure enough, we did continue on up, even though a lot of people thought we were going to have a possible correction here. Now, as you guys can see, recently we have been continuing on down, and a lot of people think that we may continue on down because we did wick to the downside and did drop down below our previous consolidation where we did previously think we were going to correct. So now you guys can see we are trying to hold this range that we had previously from consolidation. Either we do consolidate here, we do continue on up, or we do continue on down. In my opinion, we will get that confirmation if we do drop down below 415. Now, if we do drop down below 415 and we do test our $400 psychological resistance, then I will be buying into that dip, and I will be dollar cost averaging for as long as we do continue on down, in my opinion. And I won't be going all in with my portfolio. I'll definitely only be entering with some of it, expecting that we are going to continue on down. But if we do continue on past 450, again, recovering nice on Friday, looking to see if we can continue on past 443, our highs from Wednesday leading into Powell, then in my opinion, we could come back and test this 450 mark. And if we can hold 450, then in my opinion, we are back in the game for a possible reversal here. This is exactly what I would be looking for. If we did continue on down again, then I would be looking to see if we can either hold 422, our lows from Monday, or our 415 level to possibly test 400 if we do continue on down. So now you guys know exactly why you're going to see a lot of people being very bullish or very bearish, is because again, we did have this gap down, and we could have a continuation on this gap down, or we could have a possible continuation up on a major gap up from many discounts that we have not seen in the market. So that is why you're going to see a lot of people acting very bullish or very bearish at this point in time, because we are sitting on a major gap down within this consolidation, within our 443 again and 422 range that we are trying to either break out of or continue on down from. So again, we will keep this on the watch this week. Again, I do like how we are testing our highs from Wednesday, but again, we could get a major rejection. We could have got that spike because of Apple. We'll see exactly how the market does react. But again, with that said, if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, I couldn't stress enough, nobody cares as much as I do to get these major breakouts in front of you guys. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, all of you instables that have been coming over from the room and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help with refinement, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.